Lost Instagram chats? Here's a quick way to try to recover deleted messages. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Tap the three-line menu, then choose Settings from the slide-out panel. Select Security, then tap Download Data to request a copy of your account information. Enter the email address where you want the file and tap Request Download. Instagram will prepare your data and email you a download link. This can take up to 48 hours. When you receive the email, tap the secure link and download the zip file to your device. Open the zip and locate messages.json. This file contains your chat history. Use a JSON viewer or plain text app to open messages.json and search for the sender's name or keywords. Note that if someone unsent a message, it will not appear in the downloaded file. As an alternative, check linked Facebook messages or your message requests before requesting data. That's it, request your data, check the messages.json file, and save this video if you want a quick refresher.